Technology and Livelihood Education, Cookery 10, Quarter 4, Preparing and Cooking Meat, Week 2. Meat dishes and entrees. In the classical menu, the term entree refers to the courses after the gross piece. Basically, entrees are divided into cold entrees and hot entrees. Today, however, the entrees are usually served as the main dish with suitable vegetable and salad garnishes. Both hot and cold entrees are frequently described as simple dishes on the menu, where they appear in various categories, such as hot snack garnishes for main dishes and specialties of the day. The main difference between the main gross piece is that the entrees are cut up before being cooked. They do not require the same methods of preparation as the grosses pieces, which are prepared in single large pieces. It is therefore not possible to group the two types of dishes in the same category. Nutrient content of meat. Meat consists of water, protein and fat, with a few minerals and some B vitamins. The first content of the meat is the protein. High-quality protein is the major constituent of meat after water, accounting for about 20% of its weight. Meat contains 7 grams of protein per ounce. Number 2 is the fat. The fat content can vary widely according to the grade of meat and its cut. Number 3 is the carbohydrates. Meat contains very little carbohydrates. Glycogen, found in the liver and muscle tissue, is present when the animal is alive. But the glucose that makes up the glycogen is broken down to lactic acid during and after slaughter. Number 4 is the vitamins. Meat is an excellent source of certain B vitamins: thiamine, riboflavin, pyridoxine, vitamin B12, niacin and some folate. Niacin is obtained from tryptophan, an amino acid plentiful in meats and milk. And number 5, minerals. Meat is an excellent source of iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and a few other trace minerals. The 4 kinds of doneness in meat. The 4 kinds of doneness in meat are: number 1, rare. When pressed with a finger, the meat is very soft with jelly-like texture. Number 2, medium rare. When pressed with a finger, meat feels springy and resistant. Number 3, medium. When pressed with a finger, meat feels firm and there is a definite resistance. Number 4, well done. When pressed with a finger, the meat feels hard and rough. Safe cooking temperatures of various meat. The following are the safe cooking temperatures for various types of meat. The market forms of meat. The following are the market forms of meat. Number 1, fresh meat. The meat that is recently slaughtered and has not been preserved. Number 2, the frozen chilled meat. The meat that is placed in the chiller or slightly cold. Number 3 is the cured meat. The meat preserved by salting, smoking or aging. Number 4, processed meat. These are the meat preserved by chemical process. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.